Over the last few months, oil prices and natural gas prices have gone up a lot. And that's really driving new revenues for oil companies as well as fertilizer companies that take natural gas and sell that fertilizer to farmers. CF Industries, their stocks rallied over the last few months because it's expected that their revenues are going to rise. I wanted to update my analysis on CF Industries. It's a stock that I bought in 2023 as I saw the run up in oil and natural gas, happen. I bought a small position of CF and I wanted to reanalyze their data to see if there's still a good buy, whether I should just hold my shares or if I should sell my shares. I'm going to go through my process in this video and share that with you. Do me a big favor and like my video and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like these. And last, provide comments. What do you think on CF Industries? Would love to get your comments and your ideas. See if you know of other fertilizer companies that you would recommend. Now let's get into CF Industries. So the process for a fertilizer company is to take uh, natural gas, turn it into ammonia, and then turn it into a variety of products that are used as a fertilizer on the fields. This company sells their fertilizers to farmers. Farmers then grow crops and we eat the food that they grow. So needless to say, this is a stable industry with endless demand. If we continue to eat, we're going to continue to require farmers grow food. So these guys are part of a supply chain that is in big demand. I believe that CF Industries is currently discounted by 33%. And I get to that number by looking at the cash flows that CF Industries is expected to produce. And I'm using the 5-year average. And I'm growing those for the first 4 years by 4%, which is a good growth rate. And then looking at the terminal value, which is all future cash flows beyond year 4. I'm going to discount those by a weighted average cost of capital of 9%. And I get to a net present value of all those cash flows of $24.9 billion. I'm going to add the cash on the balance sheet and take away the debt on the balance sheet. So it gets me to an equity value of 25 billion. The market cap on the company is about 16 billion. So it offers up a nice discount if you look at free cash flows. Now, the other way of saying it is that each share is worth $130 per share if I use a cash flow method, but the stock market will sell you shares at $82.02, as many shares as you want to buy. Earnings per share doesn't yield as favorable of a number. Earnings per share has been going down over the last couple of years. And for the next year, 2024, it's expected that their earnings per share is going to be $6.84. I'm going to go with the PE of 12, which is a reasonable PE. This industry can have a PE up to 18. So 12 is, I think, a good conservative number, good conservative growth on the earnings per share. And based on those figures, I calculate that earnings per share, value per share is about $65 per share. They are trading at $82 per share, so they're actually trading at a premium of 21% if we use the earnings per share method. Now, I blend the two figures using more of the free cash flow method. I actually use 2 parts of free cash flow method, 1 part earnings per share method to get to the 33% blended discount on CF Industries. Looking at the stock price over the last 12 months, the stock was trading at around the value that I have for the stock about 10, 11 months ago, right over here. And when oil prices went down, and they really went down significantly, the stock continued to go down because the price that they were charging for their fertilizers really went down. And you could see that in their income statement where revenues really did go down. But when we saw oil prices begin to take off, that's where the stock has really rallied. It's gone from about $65 per share up to 85, so a really nice rally. I started buying into the company right around here, so I caught a little bit of the rally. I have a little bit of a gain on the stock, but you could see where this commodity, oil and natural gas, really has an effect on CF Industries. Year to date, it's up 0.65%, so just a slight little gain, and they pay almost a 2% dividend on the stock. Should I buy more shares of CF Industries, just hold my shares, or sell my shares? Well, let me go through my process that I like to follow when I look at each company that I invest in. And the first question is, do I want to be a part owner in this company? Do I like the industry? And the answer is yes. This company is very well run. I like the industry. I understand the industry. And the management team's doing a really good job. I think as they had these falling natural gas prices, they operated the company very well, continue to be profitable. So it shows that they're doing a really good job. Now, their debt is well below 3 times EBITDA, so I like that. And they offer just a small discount, not enough to be excited about the stock. I think in the midsummer, as I showed on the graph, that was the time to buy. So therefore, I'm just going to hold my shares. Oil prices and natural gas prices, they fluctuate, and they may go up a little bit more, and they may go up a tad bit more, but then that's really going to put stress on the economy. But what if natural gas prices drop, then we're going to see the stock price in this company drop and maybe become better discounted. And a better time to buy would be if and when the stock prices drops additionally. So that's the video on CF Industries. This is a good operated company, just buying at the right times. I think that, as it is with many of my value stocks, you make money on these value stocks when you buy the stock. You need to buy at a discount. And that's what I'm trying to do with CF Industries, is always buying at a good discount so that I can see my investment in CF Industries go up. And there might be some volatility, but overall it'll be a winner if I buy right. And I'll be paid that dividend as well. I hope you enjoyed the video. Do me a favor and like the video and subscribe to my channel if you like videos like these. And don't forget, leave comments on the videos. I love seeing the comments and seeing the ideas flow. I've gotten really good ideas on stocks that I've added to my watch list. And I would really appreciate if you keep doing that. That'd be really cool. Anyway, good luck investing in 2023.